Hoya biological phenomenon. Drought-induced flowering. By M. Hartley at Rare Garden Blooms. Xerophytic flowering, also known as drought-induced flowering, is a fascinating biological phenomenon observed in certain plant species, including some members of the Hoya genus. This adaptive response enables plants to initiate the flowering process in the presence of water stress or limited moisture availability. The term xerophytic originates from the Greek words xeros, meaning dry, and phyton, meaning plant, and is used to describe plants adapted to arid or drought-prone environments. In the context of xerophytic flowering, plants demonstrate a unique ability to perceive and respond to water stress as a cue for initiating reproductive processes such as flowering. The onset of drought conditions triggers a series of physiological and molecular events within the plant, leading to the activation of flowering-related pathways. This adaptive strategy allows plants to maximize their reproductive success despite challenging environmental conditions, as flowering under water stress can enhance the potential for seed production and dispersal. The specific mechanisms underlying xerophytic flowering involve intricate regulatory processes, including the modulation of plant hormones and gene expression patterns in response to water stress. One of the key hormones involved in this response is abscisic acid, ABA, which plays a central role in mediating the plant's adaptation to water stress. ABA serves as a signal for initiating various stress responses, including the regulation of floral development under drought conditions. Additionally, ethylene, another plant hormone, has been implicated in the induction of flowering in response to water stress. Ethylene, also known as the ripening hormone, is involved in several physiological processes, including the promotion of flowering. Under water stress, the interplay between ABA and ethylene, along with other signaling molecules, influences the transition from vegetative growth to reproductive development, ultimately promoting the initiation of flowers. The molecular pathways governing xerophytic flowering involve the activation of specific genes associated with floral induction and development. These genes are regulated by the interplay of environmental signals, hormonal cues, and internal molecular networks that orchestrate the plant's response to water stress. The upregulation of flowering-related genes under drought conditions reflects the plant's adaptive strategy to capitalize on favorable opportunities for reproduction in challenging habitats. In the case of Hoya plants, which are renowned for their striking and intricate flowers, the phenomenon of xerophytic flowering adds an additional layer of intrigue to their biology. Understanding the mechanisms and triggers of xerophytic flowering in Hoyas provides horticulturists and botanical enthusiasts with insights into how these plants have evolved to thrive in their natural environments, where water availability may fluctuate unpredictably. Cultivating an appreciation for the adaptive marvels of xerophytic flowering allows us to gain a deeper understanding of the resilience and resourcefulness of plants in the face of environmental adversity. By recognizing and studying these adaptive strategies, we can further our appreciation for the intricate interplay between plants and their surroundings, and potentially apply this knowledge to optimize the cultivation and care of xerophytic flowering plants in horticultural settings. Overall, xerophytic flowering represents a captivating example of the biological ingenuity employed by certain plant species to navigate water stress and harness opportunities for reproductive success in challenging ecological niches. As we continue to unravel the intricacies of this phenomenon, we gain valuable insights into the remarkable adaptability of plants and their capacity to thrive in diverse environmental conditions. Please like and subscribe. Follow us for more Hoya plants tips and biological phenomenon. Happy gardening!